Let's say you buy a product. Do you own it 100%? Can you do anything you want with it, like repair it yourself or find someone to do it for you? It depends. Sometimes you don't have a choice in how your product is repaired. Right to repair is a concept that aims to change that. It calls for consumers to be able to choose any repairer they wish, or even repair their own products. For this to happen, manufacturers would have to make parts, tools, and information available to both consumers and repairers. Take Mary, for instance. Her laptop isn't working. Without right to repair, she may need to take it here. But with right to repair, she can choose to go here, where it may be less expensive, here for higher quality, here because it's more convenient, or even tackle the repairs herself. With right to repair, Mary has the power of choice and can make competition work for her. Right to repair. Good for competition, good for consumers.